Hey everyone, and welcome to Evolutionary AI, Deep Reinforcement Learning in Python. This is the best and most in-depth online resource for learning one of the most powerful forms of AI, deep reinforcement learning. So, who am I and why should you listen to me? Well, my name is The Lazy Programmer, and I'm the author of over 30 online courses in data science, machine learning, and financial analysis. I have 2 master's degrees in engineering and statistics. My career in this field spans over 15 years. I've worked at multiple companies that we now call big tech and multiple startups. Using data science, I've increased revenues by millions of dollars with the teams I've led. But most importantly, I am very passionate about bringing this pivotal technology to you. Okay, so what is this course all about? Well, as the title suggests, this course is all about deep reinforcement learning, which combines the field of reinforcement learning with deep neural networks. Traditionally, these have been separate topics, but in recent years, researchers have discovered new techniques that make them effective when used together. And the benefits go in both directions. Deep learning has made reinforcement learning much more powerful, allowing it to beat world champion Go and chess players, achieve superhuman performance in video games, and even control robots in the physical world. Conversely, reinforcement learning has made deep neural networks much more powerful. The latest LLM technologies, like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, use a technique known as reinforcement learning from human feedback to train these AIs to be our helpful assistants. In short, if you consider yourself a modern machine learning engineer, you need to know both deep learning and reinforcement learning, and how to combine them. So what will you learn in this course, and what will you get out of it? This course will teach you 2 fundamental evolutionary approaches for deep reinforcement learning. The first is called Evolution Strategies, which was introduced by OpenAI, also the creator of the famed ChatGPT. Although such methods have existed for decades, it was OpenAI that popularized their usage in reinforcement learning and showed that they could yield superior performance. The second method is called Augmented Random Search, which is a similar method, but it uses a trick that makes it work even better. After learning about these methods, we'll apply them to various reinforcement learning environments, such as Mujoko, which is a physics simulator, as well as classic environments like cartpole and mountain car. And finally, we'll apply them to algorithmic trading and finance. And yes, because this is a lazy programmer course, you will learn how to build these algorithms from scratch and apply them to a variety of datasets. No longer will you have to spend 20 minutes just to learn one line of API code, while still wondering how any of it works. By the end of this course, you will feel comfortable listing deep reinforcement learning on your resume. You'll also get a certificate of completion you can share in your LinkedIn account to impress your colleagues and potential employers with your newfound skills. This course will help you achieve your career goals. Whether you want to get a job in AI and machine learning, increase your salary, create your own business, or just analyze data for fun, this course is for you. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.